Hey guys, this is just a little demo of the STL Speedtech Lights Mega Siren PA 100-watt speaker and siren. Um, this is it's all right for what I use it for. Um, uh, it's it's not bad. It's just the PA speaker megaphone plug came completely out, so I ain't very happy with that. But other than that, it's a alright siren. Um, like right here, you got the horn. Alright. You got the horn going, so. And then on the manual siren, it goes through the full thing of the whale, which you have to use your horn to make it quit working. The whale, yelp, sting, Tulu, and Hilo. Now right there, if you had it on this exhaust, you could do your manual siren or your horn, and if you had the PA deal, you could do the PA. But it's an alright siren. It's very loud. So thank you for watching.